noise. Some of you may all remember this garage. Last summer, I got a video of all of these CHI 5916s. I think this one's an 8x8. Yeah, these doors are 8x8s. And then I think this one is a, this one's an 18x8. Yeah, this is an 18x8. Torsion springs. I didn't mention, one thing I didn't mention is that these doors, I think I did mention this, these doors do have double springs. My first small door double springs bunch. So we're gonna get a video of these, all three doors. As you can see, we have this button goes to this door, this one goes to that one, and then this one goes to the back door. Well, and they do have a side button. So we'll do this one. Here we go. I will be able to get a better view. It's not that kind of 80. It's not like the loud 84501s, the ones that are like super loud. Slide locks, of course, on this down. Actually, we'll open this one, then I'll close this one, then I'll close this one. This one's a little bit louder. They did offset this one so that it doesn't go in this one. Close down the big door. They do have a 877LM keypad over here. Oh, something in the way. Does make a little bit of, door makes a little bit of noise. Door makes a little bit of noise. We'll do the middle one. Yes, the spring-loaded trolleys are amazing. And then this one. This one's a little bit, I think this one's gotta be the quietest. The big door, not really, because the door makes a little bit of noise. It's down. We'll use this button. We'll use the other button this time. Yeah, so CHI doors, they do have 14 gauge hinges. I didn't think I mentioned that in the last video. One thing I never really got to mention, I think this is an 18x8. The two smalls are 8x8s. Struts are mounted how I like them. I probably, they have like really nice hinge brackets. This one doesn't, well, maybe because it's offsetting. Torsion springs look good. Torsion springs look good. They look good. Well, they have, I think these have metal rollers, or probably nylons, but, well, we have the belt drive, the newer style belt drive pulleys, because they have the newer style belt. So yeah. You know what, we'll, probably, I'll run these at just these two up. I'll probably get one more run of, probably just run these two at the same time. Yeah, the big one's definitely faster. I never got a sensor check of these doors, so we're gonna do that. These are, I don't think, this one is not one of the MC models. And then we'll do this one. I think this one is one of the MC models. Oh, this one's not. Yeah, the middle one's not the MC model. Then we'll run this one down a last time. And then I'll open this one more time to get a safety sensor check. Okay. We'll stop this one halfway. I'm thinking this one. Oh, none of these are one of the MC models. Okay, so far none of these are the MC models. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed. These were made by Diamond Door Company. Yeah, Diamond Door Company. These doors I think were made by CHI Doors. Really nice. We have the slide box. Alright. And then this one. Let's take that. Head in the big door. Alright, well, I gotta open this one back up, but hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye. Peace out, boys and girls.